Hey guys, my name is Nikki if you are new. If you're returning, thanks for coming by to see this crazy woman again. This channel is primarily about anything to do with making money online. I primarily sell on the Poshmark app. If you don't know what that is, it's just an application you download on your phone where you buy and sell gently used to new clothing. You make money, you get what you put into it. So if you give it 50%, it's going to give you a 50% kickback. If you give 110%, it's going to give you 110% kickback. That's the good thing about reselling, that you ultimately make your own money. And the way you do that is you stay up to date on trends, and you also learn from your bad buys. Without further ado, let's get right on into this what sold on the 4th of July weekend.
Nikpikthrift, nikpikthrift, nikpikthrift.
The first thing to sell was this Lynx. It is a Rudolph's Merry Misfit. It has an elephant on its back. It's a pink polka dot elephant. It's marked with Lynx. I listed this yesterday because I decided to go on a couple different challenges with people and just list my little butt off, throughout the whole summer. I listed this for $49.49. I got it at a yard sale the day before for 50 cents. And it sold for $40, and I'm really stoked, with free shipping. So my total was about, after fees and everything, I'll probably bring home about $33, which is really cool. This was actually one of the last items to sell for the weekend. It was a pair of pink Crocs. I will insert a picture right here. It was just these pink Crocs. They were a women's size 10, men's size 8. They did sell for $25 after Poshmark's fee of $5. I did not include a shipping discount. I then earned $20. I just listed those 3 days ago. I had bought those at a thrift store for $1.99. So my bring home total was around $18, which I'm super happy about. Another thing to sell were these Fioni. I had just purchased these around a week ago at a thrift store for $1.99. They were just these Ballet Ballerina slippers. They do tie up. They are a size 10. They sold for $20 after Poshmark fee of $4. I did not give a shipping discount with it. I earned $16 after my cost of goods of $2. I brought home $14. Okay, I know I'm going to butcher these. It's a Luisa Dorio, made in Italy. It's these Espadrille leather sandal wedges. They are in super good condition, not a lot of signs of wear. They are they're size 8. They sold for $20 after Poshmark fee of $4. I didn't give a shipping discount. I earned $16. I didn't pay but $1 for these. So I brought home $15. That was my net. Pretty good. I also had 2 sales on Mercari. I will pop the pictures up here. Well, I had 3. One got canceled, and I don't know what had happened to it in the mail, but the tracking never started, but I mean, it is what it is. But anyways, so I made 2 sales on Mercari. I've sold these Vince gray stilettos. I picked these up at the bins when I had went to Seattle on Valentine's Day. I had recently just listed them because there was a spot missing off of the toe, the pointy part. It was discolored, and I didn't know how I was going to fix that without it looking too weird. So I just watched a couple YouTube videos. I just took a gray marker and some shoe polish, and I did it that way. It worked really well. I got a really good review, and we're all happy. The other thing that I sold on Mercari was I have a flower right here on the chest of it. I had that since last year sometime. I want to say maybe in November, maybe. I paid 99 cents for that, and it sold for $33. So after all the fees and stuff, I earned $21.21 on that. Okay, the first thing to sell clothing-wise on Poshmark was a 4-piece bundle. It was in my bundle sale, 4 for $20. The first one that she had bundled was this Roommates. This Roommates tank. It has the cinched back right there. It has the tie front knot up in the, or the tie knot front in the front. It is a button down. It has the heart pattern. It's kind of like a crop. I thought it was really cute when I picked it up. The next thing she had purchased was this top of rosin plus oak. I purchased this around a week ago and I listed it, and it didn't take very long for it all to sell. It's just this tunic top. It's a floral pattern. It has the split quarter back with the hole in the back. My mind went blank as I can't think of the name for it. It is a 2X again, and it's super cute. I like it. She also got this Forever Scarlet 2X. It is a navy blue asymmetrical with the zip detail front top. It has the satiny stuff right here. I'm sure it's just polyester, but still, that's how I'm going to describe it. So she got that in the bundle. She also purchased this. I was really glad to see it go. I've had it for a very long time, probably 3 months into me reselling. It was just this black ribbed tunic tank blouse. It is almost like a burnout material. It has the 2 embellished rings right here, so it gives a little bling bling. And it's in really good condition. And that was her bundle. So she acted like she purchased it for $20 after Poshmark fee of $4. She didn't get a shipping discount. I earned $16. I paid around $4 for all of that. So my earnings was $12 even. Was this American Rag black lace romper. It has the eyelash hemmed sleeve, the bell. It is a size medium. It's in super good condition. It's fully lined. This sold for $10 after Poshmark fee of $2.95. She didn't get a shipping discount. I then earned $7.05. I paid 99 cents for this. So my total bring home was $6.06. The next thing to sell was this new with tags, Rachel and Zoe. It's like a knit sweater. No, it's not like. It is a knit sweater. It's in the color of the sea green or foam green. As you straight out. I actually had a couple straight buyouts this time. She sent me an offer of $17. I gladly accepted because I've had this for a while. I then she didn't get a shipping discount, but after Poshmark fee of $3.40, I then earned $13.60 after my cost of goods, which was $1.50. I in return earned $12.10. That's what I brought home. Would I pick it up again? Heck yeah, if it was less than... I also sold this cabbie skirt, however you guys want to say it. I was actually really disappointed. I got this at the beginning of summer last year, and I thought it would sell right away because of the layered asymmetrical look. And, you know, back then, cabbie was a little bit of a bigger deal, and the fabric, too. There's something special about this fabric. I think it's a linen silk blend. It's a cotton silk blend. It's just the side enclosed zip skirt. It is a size 6. It did sell for $15 after Poshmark fee of $3. I did not give her a shipping discount. I earned $12. I paid $3 for the skirt, so after that I earned, my net was $9. That's what I brought home. This also sold. It's just the spaghetti strap plus size floral maxi dress. It's a vintage Maggie Lawrence. Somebody during the quarantine did donate this dress to me, so this was pure profit. It's in really good condition. It sold for $15 after Poshmark fee of $3. I then earned $12. The next thing that I picked up was this American Apparel. It's a bubblegum pink baby in a size medium large. That's not oversized. Okay. Yeah, it's just a medium large. It is in this really pretty pink color. It feels like it's only been worn a couple times. This sold for $25 after Poshmark fee of $5. She didn't get a shipping discount. I then earned $20. I paid $7 for this top on Poshmark, so my total earnings was $13. Somebody bought this complete full zip-up hoodie by Zella. It is this purple, heathered purple color with the front zip pockets. It has a gray or silver accent collar, and it is a size extra small. That sold for $15 after Poshmark fee of $3. She didn't get a shipping discount. I then earned $12. My cost of goods on this, because I bought it when I first started reselling, was $2. So my total earnings is $10. This weekend, from Saturday and Sunday, is this express top. It's just the Black Label Express. It is this like a dark teal faux crossover a blouse with a buckle, like an embellishment of a buckle right here. It sold for $12 after Poshmark fee of $2.95. I gave a shipping discount of $2.12. I earned $6.93 after my cost of goods. Which was 73 cents, I then earned $6.20 on this. I just wanted to tell you guys what I made. Altogether, I made $189 after Posh fees of $41.42. I brought home $147.58 for July 3rd and 4th. My cost of goods was $13, so I brought home $134.58. So I'm very proud of that. So with that being said, same time, same place, same pretty little face. Bye, y'all.